How to enable or disable push notifications in Bolt. Want to manage your ride alerts better? Here's how to enable or disable Bolt notifications. First, open the Bolt app and tap your profile icon or menu. Go to Settings, then choose Notifications. Here you can toggle on or off alerts for ride updates, driver arrivals, promotions, or payment confirmations. If you are still getting unwanted notifications, check your phone's notification settings and ensure Bolt's permission matches your preferences. Keep ride status notifications on. They are crucial for tracking arrivals in real time. Do you like getting promo alerts from Bolt or turn them off right away? Drop your answer in the comments below. And that's how you can enable or disable push notifications. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.